So this could be really good or really bad, okay? I haphazardly threw a combo on my hair, okay? And I don't know what's gonna happen. So let me tell you what's in my hair. As the leave-in, I use the Curls Avocado Mousse, okay? Inspired by Taylor Ann of Mad Curls. Then I went over that with the Curl Maker by Camille Rose. And if you've ever used Curl Maker before, if you've never used it, it kind of has a texture that blends in with the foam really well. So my hair was really foamy. And then over the top of everything, so like over the whole section, not throughout the section, I applied Eco Crystal. And I applied more water with the Eco Crystal and raked it. And I was feeling scalp, so I was getting in there really good with the rake. So this is what we're looking like. This could go really bad because I could see it, like I could see the Camille Rose maybe negatively reacting and then causing like flakes or like gummy stuff. So this is what we're dealing with. I don't know what the back of my head looks like. The back of my head looks like trash on some of these videos because I don't style with a mirror and I definitely can't see the back of my head. But we are gonna see what this combo does. And if it's really good or really bad. Y'all, I pretty much never come back the same day that I dried my hair because my hair usually looks really crazy when it comes from under the dryer, and then like having it held backwards overnight kind of like makes it look a little bit more tame and lays it back down. But I'm coming to you after drying my hair fully today. Do you see this wash and go? Do you see this wash and go? First of all, I was worried about some flakes. No flakes. This is pretty much the type of wash and go I usually get from Camille Rose, light, but slightly more defined, of course, because there is Eco on top of it. But see, the thing is, I'll get this look with the Camille Rose and then it's gone in like 2 days. That's my thing with the Camille Rose, and that's a lot of money to spend for your hair not to last but like 2 seconds, right? However, this is the Camille Rose look, right? It's fluffy, but it's still defined, very natural looking, as I said in my old Camille Rose video, and then as I said in a Instagram video a little while ago, that it's a very natural look, but it's gonna last longer. So I'm definitely gonna come back on here. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna see how much longer this lasts in a typical Camille Rose, which means I've got to come back further out than the next 2 days. So it's got to be like day 3 or day 4 before I pop back on here to see like how long this is gonna last, because this is it. This is everything. I love it. You can tell me nothing. I just got back from Publix with my husband buying them high groceries he like. We buy groceries separately because we don't eat the same type of vegan diet. But y'all, we was in there and the lady was like, my granddaughter's hair look exactly like yours this morning, super curly, Mom said. Now you know it was a non-black lady, and I speak their language a little bit, and I know what super curly means for them usually, and it's not usually positive. But I think my hair looks good. You can't tell me nothing, okay? We'll see in a couple of days. So we are on day 3 of this wash and go. It still looks good, but I do not like the way that it feels. And it really has nothing to do with the combo itself. It has everything to do with the fact that this type of gel is more of like a one that brings in moisture, right? And right now in Florida, we are still having tons of rain, even though summer is usually the rainy season. For some reason it has been raining like crazy around here, so it is extremely humid outside, and it's going to continue to be humid this week. And so my hair is reacting to the not to the temperature, but to the air outside, and it's just a feeling that it doesn't feel sticky or gummy, but it just feels a way that I know that the product is slightly being reactivated, and I just don't like the way that it feels. Does it still look good though? Yeah, like this is way outlasting any other Camille Rose wash and go I've ever done. But probably what's gonna happen is I'm gonna start pinning pieces back, then it's gonna turn into like a puff, and then I might even do like a rinse and restyle. But I'm like not even sure if I want to do that, because the weather, if the weather stays like this all week, it's just gonna do this again, because it's just this is a gel that for me, where in my climate where I live, this is a gel for like January and February, possibly. Summertime, I could not imagine using this on my hair in the summertime here. Just no, okay? So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this combo. Let me know if you have other combos that you'd like to use with this gel to kind of make it a little bit better. But there's some videos over here that are gonna be recommended to you. Check those out. Stay on my channel. That really does help me out. Subscribe. I post videos every week, I promise. And I will talk to you in the next one.